Have you ever wanted to make Roblox have realistic graphics? If so, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll be showcasing a Roblox shader script called P-Shade. Please note that if you want to use this, you'll need a good PC. Anyways, let's get into the showcase. All you need to do now is grab the script from the link in the description and follow what I do here. So yeah, I'd recommend just leaving it default if you wanted to look cool and just executing it. Give it a second, it's gonna say wait, and then as you can see, it loads everything. It looks pretty cool right now, but there's some additional stuff like here where you can use realistic water. You do need to be running max graphic in Roblox like here, and then you can also change stuff to like 2008 graphics, as you can see here, and then like rain, make it look like it's raining. Yeah, so there's some pretty cool ones in here. You can also go into remove and remove effects like the blur effect if you don't have that, and then you can change the time of day here to like morning, midday, afternoon, evening, night, and midnight. And you can also go into here and change the type of actual shaders you're using. If you want to check out this script, it'll be available linked down below in the description for you guys to check out. Thanks for watching and goodbye.